Hello, hope you are fine. Today I'm going to discuss with you Junior English Book 2, page number 25, and today's topic is fun with words. So let's see what is written here. In each column in exercise A below, there are two pairs of words and one odd word. You have to find the word that will make up the third pair. Look at the first pair of words ear, here. See, in this place it's written ear, here. The second word is made by adding the letter H to the beginning of the first word. Yes, here see, ear, here. Again see, at, hat. It's written here. Look at the second pair, at, hat. In this place, second word has started with H, and that's why next one has also started with H. So last one what will be? Let's see what is written here. Then I am doing this one. The second word is again formed by writing H before the first word. I have told it. To find the missing word, write H before the odd word. So easy. So it will be arm. So we will write here harm, because ARM before it just H. So it will be harm. 2 number, say ill, mill, ask, musk, other, right here OTHER, other, just add am before it. So it will be mother. 3 number, all, ball, it, bit, well, what will be see, right? Well, so here we have used B. In this place we have to use also B. Well, boil. Phone number, old, gold, let, glad. So see what we are using here, GG. So here race, right here race. Before that we will use what? G, grace. Arc, park, ink, pink, lay, what? Here we have used P before all the words, like arc. Before arc we have used here P. Before ink we have used here P. So before lay we have to use PLAY, play. Now this is the turn of B number exercise C. B number, in each line below, the same letter ends the first word and begins the second. Write the 10 pairs of words. Here see example, sati. It is taken from this place as A. After that here is used T, and in this place EA before it T is used. So see, this word has finished with T and this word has started with T. So this way we will do rest of the problems. So let's start. But you have to keep remember that in every places we cannot use T. We can use different types of letter. So let's do 2 number, BE and here OG. What we can put in this place, BE. After that we can put D, and here we can also put D. So in this place it has become bed, and here dog. Next one, 3 number, see SH. We can easily use E, and in this place double G before it we can put E. Phone number, BI. After that we can put G, and in this place we can bring this G here, so it will be gun. 5 number, WA. After that we can use S, and here we can also use S. So was sly. 6 number, POS, and here RAP. What can we use here in this place? I think you have got already. We can use here T, and then here we can also use T. 7 number FI. Here we can also use another L, so it will be fill, and this place we can use also L, so it will be lift. 8 number, C, GOO, and here OOR. In this place we can put D, then it will become good, and if we put here D, then it will be do. 9 number HEA and here ICH. You can put here D also, but if you put here D, then another problem. So here if we put R and here if we put R, so that time both word will be actually word, means they will fulfill the criteria of words. So next one, 10 number HELLAY. What can I put here? If we put P, then we can put here also P. It will become help and this will become play. Now another exercise is left, that is C number exercise. Here it is written, test your word power. Can you supply the missing letters? All the words end in IC. 1 number, when the chain was shaken, it made a dash noise. We can use here easily more words to fulfill this word or to make this word properly. Here we can use METALLIC, metallic noise. 2 number, my parents were FR-IC with Ori when I came home late. What can we put here? We can put here ANT. So the word will be frantic. 3 number, keep calm and don't PA-IC. This is so easy. We can use just one letter and. So this word will be panic. Phone number, how can you charge a balloon with ST.IC electricity? It will be what? It will be static electricity. 5 number, wash that cut carefully or it will turn SE-IC. So we can write here SEPTIC, septic. So we have done this page today and there we have got the page number 25 and the topic is fun with words. Next day we will do page number 26 and there we will find the topic and the topic's name is showing ownership. So bye for today. Best of luck.